Hey y'all, welcome to the Houston Gardening Novice channel. I'm a newbie gardener here in Houston, Texas, Zone 9B. Half the time I don't know what I'm doing, but I enjoy trying things out and figuring out what works for me. I hope you can join me in my gardening journey as I slowly work on building my backyard sanctuary. So last year I put this DIY project together for my rain barrel. I have two of them. It's a 57-gallon tote bag. I drilled some holes, cut down my gutter, and this is how I've been collecting rain. So this is just a quick update on how it's been doing for the past year. So since I also added this just some wood paneling on the side, some frames to help with buckling. When the barrel was full before I had it, the weight of the water was pulling the barrel outward. So to prevent that, I just added a frame. But it rained yesterday, so it's full. I do have this spout right here. I don't know if you can see it, it's dark. There's a spout right here that takes care of the overflow, so the extra water just flows from the top of the barrel. So today I want to collect some water to water some plants, but before that I want to go ahead and add some mosquito bits. So I use this, add a few granules, which help prevent mosquito larvae from growing. Okay, I'll be using the water to water something else, but let me go ahead and show you where the other barrel is. Okay, this is the second barrel on the other side of the house. It's the same 57-gallon tote bin. It also has the frame. I painted the frame also black so it can blend into the tote. So I'll also be adding mosquito bits to this one as well. So this one I used a flex elbow. That is because I have a sprinkler right here, so this gutter couldn't be in the middle of the barrel of this barrel like the other one. So because of this sprinkler head right here, I wanted the barrel to be on the side, so I used a flex elbow for this one. And the tops have holes. Let's see. The granules will sink to the bottom in a few minutes, but the tops have holes. The water will go in there, and they also have drilled some holes at the bottom here. And I have a netting underneath. Let me show you. There's a net underneath that helps with capturing any large items that pass through the holes. Okay, and this is the piece of the gutter that I cut to do this. Okay, this has been working really well, especially since I put the frame. So now the weight of the water is contained within this system. Okay. All right, I think I'll stop here. This was just a quick update to share how this has been working out. It's been a year of this, and I think it's a cheap alternative to buying an actual rain barrel. One, it's an open system, so I can clean it. Most of the rain barrels that I saw in the, either online or in the stores, they were closed system. So I don't know how the cleaning of those are maintained. But this one, because you can take out the top and clean every few months, I prefer this, and also it's a much cheaper alternative. These tote bins are a fraction of the price compared to buying a rain barrel. Okay, I'll stop right here. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you all on the next one. Thanks. Bye.